These investment platforms are for risk takers only. Bawal dito ang gahaman at manipin. Kung interested ka, mag-register sa link na nasa comment section. Enter your active cell phone number. Example of passwords: Queen12345. Install the SOAO application to use easier. Log in your cell phone number and password. Go to My Account. Go to SOAO. For example, I want to buy this 500 pesos solar. First, I need to recharge. So let's go back on my account. Go to Recharge. Enter the recharge amount. Recharge now. Enter your active GCash number to pay the selected recharge amount. Wait for a second. Don't worry. This is the admin who is handling our recharge amount. We need to trust the process, okay? Enter the OTP number. You can take a screenshot. It depends on you. Let's open the SOAO application, and I'll check my recharge amount on my balance account. If there is still zero balance, close all the apps used. Try to open it again. Go to SOAO. Go to Check More. 54 pesos daily. This solar is good for 240 days, and the possible total income in 240 days is 12,960. Click the rental generator and confirm the lease. Then, go back. Go to History. Every 12 o'clock a.m., the start of getting electricity. Reminder, you need to get electricity every day to increase your income. Go back to My Account and go to Task. You need to finish this task to get the 100 pesos cash back directly to your balance account. Just follow the instructions. You can join the official group of SOAO Energy in Telegram. You can observe on group chat. You can promote these investment platforms on your YouTube account, but this is optional. I hope you learned something. Thank you.